Hello everybody, it's a funky format video because we're going to talk about, well, saving money on fur baby stuff. Yep, if you got fur babies, you're buying this stuff every week, so we have to save you money every week. Well, we try. Come on in, guys, we're going to talk about this Purina free money and, well, if you don't want to spend $40, how you can still save plenty. And you know you want to know, so come on in and like and share the video on your way. And please, really, share it. Share it for the 100th, millionth time to all your social media. If you got a TikTok, put us on your TikTok. We got to get some more crazy friends. Yes, we need more crazy friends. We got to help more people. And that's how we do it. We get a bigger party going. So, thank you very much for doing that for me. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, and you're just stopping by, well, this is what we call a funky format video. And we're going to tell you how to save some money. And you know you want to know. And I'll tell you every day. So look below and subscribe, and that way you'll get a deal every day and a blessing. Because on my way out every day, I bless you with all the good vibes. So, come on in. Alright, but guys, and you know the rest of the spiel, please leave me that 3-word comment. And I want to know what kind of things we should be making deals with. I've already got some input, but put that in your comment. What things are you looking to be making deals on? It'll help me make you scenarios in the future. So, the other thing that you need to do for me is let the video play all the way to the end. Even if you don't want to hear my voice, just cut it down. Same way goes for those ads. Just let them play through, please. All those things are so important, not just for me, but for any creator that you visit. Particularly for the first 3 months of the year. Alright, guys. Thank you for listening to me babble that spiel every single time. And of course, y'all know if you're not new here and you know the spiel, you know what to do. Just press that fast forward button. So let's talk about what we got going on today. And what we can do with it this weekend. Well, we're going to talk about the Purina deal and what things it does apply to and what things it doesn't. It doesn't apply to everything. And what Purina deal am I talking about? This Purina deal. Save 8 when you spend 40 on any Purina dry dog food and cat litter. Okay? Not all the dry dog food is attaching, or all the dry cat food is attaching. But we have a couple of litter coupons that are attaching, and they are manufactured coupons. Now, somebody asked me about store coupons and manufactured coupons, and I'm going to try to clarify, because if you're new, you probably don't understand. The Dollar General store coupons, no, if they are for the same item, they should not stack. However, we have instances where they glitch and they do stack or overlap because something in the offer of either one of the coupons is in the other one. Okay? Such as the Lay's and Pepsi coupon. That will actually stack with the Pepsi Dollar General store coupon. Okay? Because it's glitching. Now, normally, it would not. It would be one store coupon and then your manufactured coupons. So, if it's glitching, it's great news for us. Now, this right here is a store coupon for the 8 and manufactured coupons for 2 and 1. Now, on the $2 off the Tidy Cats, that's the $12.95 one. And on the dollar off, it's working on the $12.95 and the $8.95. So if you do purchase these two items in one transaction, make sure you put your lower cost item at first, and that way that dollar coupon will attach first, because the lower value coupon will come off first. Now, as we go through here, you'll see there is not that many deals that we can use to go with this. However, they are some earns. Now, this is a $26.50 bag of Purina cat chow, and you've got to earn for $2.50, and that $8.50 is attaching. Now, if you wanted to do a full-on 5 off of 25 scenario by picking up 2 of these Purina cat chows, you're going to get $5 in earns back, and then you're going to get $13 off out the store. So that's a total of $18 off, leaving you out of pocket of $35.70 for 40 pounds of Purina cat chow. Let's look at this deal another way. We've got that same $2.50 working on these $16 bags of cat chow. Okay, 2 of those would be $32. That leaves room for something else that maybe we can save some money on. So if we're picking up 2 of those $16 bags of cat food, let's pick up some kitty litter for $12.25. You'll be at $44.25. You've got $20 in coupons and earns coming back. So you got $5 in earns, and then coupons, you got $15. Okay? With a final out of pocket of $24.25 for those 3 items, cat litter and 2 of the $16 cat foods. I think that's a pretty decent deal, guys, for all 3 of those items. Okay, but let's just say both of these scenarios are still a little bit too rich for your pocket. You got 1 cat, okay? Maybe a cat and a dog. Let's go look at one more scenario. Okay, let's have a look at our deals. The first deal is 2 of the large Purina cat chows. You got $2.50 earns on those, or $53.30. You're going to get $8 for a store coupon off, and 5 off 25 on Saturday. This is the only feasible time to do this deal because it is a pricey deal. You're going to pay $35 out of pocket for 40 pounds worth of cat food. Now, the next one is doing the 2 different sizes, because the same $2.50 earn will attach to the $16 bag of cat chow. So you pick up one $26.50 and then one $16 one. You're at $42.50. You've got a total of $18 still coming back, and your final out of pocket will be $24.50 with the second one. Now, with the third one, you're going to pick up 2 of the $16 cat chows. Now, these 3 deals do include that $8 store Purina coupon. So, 2 of the $16 cat chows, you got the earns on them, and a $12.25 Tidy cat litter, 20 pounds. You got a $2 off on that. You're at $44.25. Your total coming off is $20. That's an awesome discount right there. A great savings. And your out of pocket is $24.25. Now, if you just have big dogs or a lot of dogs and you buy your dog food from Dollar General anyway, do this on Saturday and get 2 of the great big bags, whatever it may be. Scan, they may be another Purina coupon that goes with some of those big bags, but I did not see any more attaching than what I've shown you. But let's have a look at this deal. Now, this deal does not include that $8 Purina coupon. So this can be an any day of the week deal, or it can be a 5 off 25 scenario, because the total here is $27.23. We're going to pick up a cat chow for $7.50. You've got a $2 earn on that. We're going to pick up 2 of the moist and meaty Purina dog foods. They're $11.75. You've got $2 earns on those, and there's 2 of them. So you're going to pick up those two, and you're going to earn $4 because the earns are $2 each. Next, we still have a coupon for an earn for $3.99 on the pedigree dog snacks. The cookouts, you're going to pick up two of those for $7.98, and you're going to earn back $3.99. Now, when you walk out of the store, you're actually going to be paying $22 and some change when you walk out of the store, but then you're going to get your earns back, which is $9.99 in earns. So your final out-of-pocket after everything is said and done is actually $14.27, which is a winner chicken dinner deal. You've got snacks and dog food for a dog, and then you've got cat chow for a cat. And this deal you don't need to do to $40 in order to save your extra $5. You could just, like I said, go to $27.23, and you'll be out of pocket $14. So there you go, guys. That's stuff for your fur baby, saving you money every week, because we buy this stuff every week. At least I do. The litter part anyway. Buy my cat food when I can get it at a really good deal. And if it's a big enough bag, well, yeah, we're good to go. So blessings. I'll talk to you again real soon, because, we got more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information, because it's only Wednesday. So there's so much more. I'll see you then. Blessings.